In this video, we'll show you how highlights and comments keep everything in one place, helping you stay focused and remember what matters. Let's say you're writing a politics essay. You upload a few journal articles into Tailo and start reading. When you come across an important argument or stat, just highlight it. This keeps it saved in your personal reading view. Want to add more context or your own thoughts? Click Add Comment to attach a note directly to that section. You might use this to explain why the quote's useful, how it connects to your argument, or to flag something to return to later. To stay organized, you can tag your comments, like essay point, contradiction, or revise later. These tags help you sort and scan your notes when you're ready to start writing or reviewing. And you don't need to scroll back through the whole paper. Just open the side panel to view all your highlights and comments in one place. To recap, use highlights to save key quotes and ideas directly in the document. Use comments to capture your thoughts, reflections, or essay planning notes. Use tags and the side panel to stay organized and easily revisit your insights when it's time to write or revise. In the next video, we'll show you how to manage your documents and keep your study space organized in Tailo.